Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will tell you how to make CSS bouncing ball loading animation like this. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell for the new videos. Now let's head over to our VS Code editor. Okay, for this project you will need two files. First is index.html, second is style.css, and you also need one extension called live server. This extension will help you to see live changes of your project. Now let's go to our index.html file. Press shift plus 1 and hit enter and go to the title and change it to CSS bouncing ball loading animation. Okay, then link our CSS file. Okay, then create a UL tag. Inside the UL tag you need 5 list tag like this, and open a HTML file with live server by clicking the go live button. This will open your HTML file right in your browser like this. Then go to our CSS file and do some basic styling. First select body tag and give a height of 100 viewport height and display set to be flex. Justify content center and align atom center. This will center our UL or UL tag. Then give it a background color of hatch 262626 like this. Okay, then select the UL tag, give it a margin 0, remove all the margin from the UL and padding set to be 0 as well. Then give it a display of flags and then select our allies. First style list style type set to be none. This will remove all the bullet points from the ally and give it a width of 30 pixel and height of 30 pixel. Okay, then give it a background color of white. Now it looks like this. Okay, we don't want squared allies, we want a circle ally, so give it a border radius of 50% like this. Okay, we want some spacing between the balls, so give it a margin top bottom 0, left right set to be 10 pixel like this. Let's do the fun part, which is animation. At the rate keyframes, animation name we set to bouncing. At 0% transform translate y set to be 0, which means at 0% our wall is at their initial position like this, and we have to make 3 copy of this like this and change is to 50%. At 50% we want it go up by 150 pixels. Okay, we translate minus 150 pixel, it means it goes up. If we remove minus sign, it goes down by 150 pixels. Okay, now let's change third to 100% and we want our ball to back to a initial position which is 0. Now go to ally and apply animation, and animation name is bouncing. Animation duration set to be 0.8 second, linear and be set to infinite. Now we are able to see the balls are animating from up from the initial position to 150 pixel and then go down to their initial position. We want something like this. Okay, we don't want all the balls go up at the same time. We want they go randomly at different time. Now select each ally and child 1. First ally means first ally, and set animation delay property to 0.45 seconds. Okay, we want 4 more copy of this. Okay, change second one to 2 and set animation delay to 0.6 second, and third and change this to say 0.3 second, change this to 0 and this to 4, change this to 5 and set to be 0.1 second. Okay, now our animation work as we wanted, but we want to do some styling on this. First we apply a border bottom to this UL. Okay, border bottom to set with 10 pixel solid. Okay, something like this. Okay, now apply the gradient to the border. For this we need to use border image source property and set linear gradient to right, comma. Now our border bottom looks good. Now we need to change the color of the balls. Okay, go here and select background color property and choose color from here. First I put this color. Okay, now our bouncy ball looks great. This is actually we want. So our CSS bouncing ball loading animation is now complete. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell for the new upcoming videos. Thank you for watching my video.